We all travel in different means of transport like slow-moving vehicles and fast-moving vehicles. Based on the modes of transport, we can have four kinds: landways, waterways, railways and airways. Once there was a boy named Kishan from Bangalore. He wanted to come back from his school. Now, how can he come back from the school? We all come with our bicycle, bus or with our parents or by the bike, right? So, he came back with his bicycle. We call that mode of transport which travels on land as landways. For example, cycle, bus, scooter, auto, lorry, etc. So, as it is weekend, Kishan wanted to go out with his parents to visit Mysore Palace. Now, if he want to go for Mysore Palace, as it is nearby place, they can travel by car. But driver was on leave. But they need a safe journey. So, what can he do now? If he is thinking about safe journey of land transport, then he can opt for train to travel, where they can have a safe and happy journey with less cost. So, the mode of traveling through train is said to be railways. He was bored of always traveling by car, bike, train, bus, etc. Now, he wanted to visit India Gate, but it is located in New Delhi. It's too far from Bangalore. But how can he travel now? He can travel through the aeroplane, helicopter or jet. What do we call that mode of transport as? The mode of transport which travels through the air is called as airways.